15 Breakfast Foods You Shouldn't Eat. Breakfast is an important meal because it provides energy and nutrients to fuel your body and mind after an overnight fast. When you skip breakfast, you may feel hungry and lacking in energy, which can lead to poor concentration and difficulty with tasks. Eating breakfast can also help to regulate your appetite and prevent overeating later in the day. There are no hard and fast rules about what foods you should or shouldn't eat for breakfast. Some people prefer to eat savory foods like eggs and bacon, while others prefer sweet foods like fruit or yogurt. Ultimately, the most important thing is to choose foods that you enjoy and that provide you with the nutrients you need to start your day off right. It's also a good idea to try to include a variety of foods in your breakfast to ensure that you're getting a balanced mix of nutrients. Let's jump into 15 breakfast foods you shouldn't eat. Before proceed, please subscribe this channel and press the bell to watch more videos like this. Number 1. Cereal with added sugar. Many cereals, especially those marketed towards children, are loaded with added sugar. This can lead to an unhealthy spike in blood sugar levels and contribute to weight gain. Number 2. Sausage and bacon. Processed meats like sausage and bacon are high in saturated fat and have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Number 3. Donuts. Donuts are fried and high in sugar, making them a double whammy when it comes to unhealthy breakfast options. They are also low in nutrients and can contribute to weight gain. Number 4. Frozen breakfast sandwiches. Frozen breakfast sandwiches are often high in calories, sodium, and preservatives. They can also be made with processed meats, which are not a healthy choice. Number 5. Pancakes with syrup. Pancakes alone are not necessarily unhealthy, but when they are smothered in syrup, they become a sugar-laden breakfast option. Try topping your pancakes with fresh fruit instead. Number 6. Muffins. Muffins, especially those from a bakery, can be high in sugar and calories. They may also be made with refined flour, which is not as nutrient-dense as whole grain flour. Number 7. Croissants. Croissants are a type of pastry that is high in butter and sugar, making them an unhealthy choice for breakfast. They are also low in protein and fiber, which can leave you feeling hungry shortly after eating. Number 8. Bagels. Bagels are often made with refined flour and can be high in calories. They are also low in fiber and protein, which can make it difficult to feel satisfied after eating them. Number 9. Cream cheese. Cream cheese is high in saturated fat and calories, making it an unhealthy choice for spreading on bagels or toast. Try using hummus or avocado instead. Number 10. Danish pastries. Danish pastries are similar to croissants and are made with butter and sugar. They are high in calories and low in nutrients, making them a poor choice for breakfast. Number 11. Fruit juice. While fruit juice may seem like a healthy choice, it is often high in sugar and calories. It is also lacking in the fiber found in whole fruit. Try eating a piece of fruit instead. Number 12. Granola bars. Many granola bars are high in sugar and calories and may not be as nutritious as they seem. Look for bars that are made with whole grains and have a lower sugar content. Number 13. Smoothies with added sugar. While smoothies can be a healthy breakfast option, they can also be loaded with added sugar. Be sure to read labels and choose a smoothie that is made with whole fruits and vegetables and doesn't have any added sugar. Number 14. Frozen waffles. Frozen waffles are often made with refined flour and can be high in sugar and preservatives. They are also low in fiber and protein, which can leave you feeling hungry shortly after eating. Number 15. Flavored oatmeal. Flavored oatmeal packets may be convenient, but they are often high in sugar and artificial ingredients. Try making your own oatmeal with whole oats and topping it with fresh fruit and nuts for a healthier option. In general, it is important to choose breakfast foods that are high in nutrients and protein and low in added sugars and unhealthy fats. This will help to keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the morning. Thanks for watching.